In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a bar chart in Excel. Begin by opening your Excel spreadsheet so you can see the data you want to turn into a chart. Before you insert anything, make sure your full data table is selected correctly. This matters because Excel uses the selected cells to build the chart, including the labels and the values. Go to the top left cell of your data, click and hold your mouse button there, then drag your cursor all the way to the bottom right cell of the table. As you drag, Excel will highlight the cells for you. Keep going until the entire data range is selected. Once everything is highlighted, release the mouse button. At this point, your dataset should be fully selected and ready to use. Next, move your attention to the top menu bar in Excel. This is where you will find the tools needed to insert a chart. Click on the Insert tab. When the ribbon changes, look for the Charts section near the middle. This area contains several chart options, and it is where Excel lets you quickly turn selected data into a visual chart. In the Charts section, find the icon labeled Insert Column or Bar Chart and click it. This will open a menu with different chart styles. Since you want to create a bar chart, move your cursor down to the 2D bar section. You will see a few layout choices there. From that section, click on Clustered Bar. As soon as you select it, Excel will create the chart automatically and place it in your worksheet. This type of chart is useful when you want to compare values across categories in a clear horizontal format. It is one of the most common bar chart styles because it is easy to read and works well for many types of data. If your chart appears right away, that means Excel has successfully used the selected table to build it. The main thing to remember is that selecting the correct data first is what helps the chart come out properly. Then it is simply a matter of going to Insert, opening the Bar Chart menu, and choosing Clustered Bar from the 2D bar options. That covers everything you need to know.